Hello there. So this short video is basically informing you about my page on Ko-fi. Now the page is a giving page, and by all means no one's got to go on it, no one's got to contribute, but it's only come about because people have asked me in the past, can the show do appreciation? So if you want to check it out, there's a link below, and you're going to start seeing the links on my videos in the description if you've not already come across them. And I know one or two people have already seen them, and I know one or two people have already contributed, and that's fantastic. You know, I appreciate anyone who kind of wants to buy me a coffee, but you're under no obligation. You know, you don't have to do that, but if you feel like you want to, then this is what the video is about, informing you that is a place where you can do it. I'm hoping it's not too much in your face. I hope you appreciate what I'm trying to help you here, and good luck with your driving.